Shawty poppin' Molly for so yeah. I never want nobody sober. Up all night till it's over. Over.
Welcome back to the channel, everyone. So we finally got the window visors for my friend, and we got in the same style that I got on the 2019 Honda Accord. So we about to install this. Let's get to it.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So helped him out with the window visors. He got the same style as mine. He really loves them. It does go with his car, and that's how it looks from the side. It's dope. I really like it, that style. Then he got the handles dipped black, but soon I think we might get something for it. But in the back, yeah, it's the emblem, and then the tail lights are the emblem is dipped, and the tail lights are like 3 coatings, I think, with the nightshade. Can't remember, but yeah, but it looks good. Then his tint in the back are 5%, and in the rear is 5%, and the front, what's in the front, bro? 20%. So yeah, he got 20% in the front. That's how it is. I still can't even see inside very well at this. The sunset's about to be in like 5 minutes. But yeah, the window visors look great. The window chrome delete looks awesome. And yeah, overall the car looks great. We got the lighting done in the front in the previous videos. So please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell button. And thanks for supporting the channel.